Hello viewers, this is Not Too Fast here. In today's video, I'll be upgrading the backup light on this Toyota 4Runner. I'll change out the regular incandescent bulb to a set of super bright LED lights. With more light output, it will help illuminate the area behind you when you're backing up. Replacing the backup light on this vehicle is very simple, so stay tuned and I'll show you how to do this. Let's take a look at the light that I'll be using for this install. This one here is a 921 LED light from the company LUYED. Let me show you what it looks like. In the package, you get 2 of these lights. Let's have a closer look at one of these lights. There are a total of 20 3030 LED chips all around, including 4 at the front right here behind this projector lens. The color temperature is 6500 Kelvin, so it's a pure white color, and it outputs 1100 lumens. The operating voltage is 9 to 30 volt DC, and it's not polarity sensitive, so it doesn't matter which way you plug it into the socket, it'll still light up. So here I'll connect my power supply to this, so you can take a look. It's very bright, and the light output is 360 degrees. Let me first show you what the original incandescent bulb looked like for the backup lights. Open up the hatch. To get access to the backup light, look behind here. There's an access panel you can remove using a plastic pry tool. Remove this panel. Right here is the backup light. Give it a twist counterclockwise and then remove the bulb. Here it is. Install the new LED lights. Reinstall the cover. Let me show you the comparison look between the LED light on the driver's side and the regular incandescent bulb on the passenger side. Here's a look at the LED lights. And here's a look at the regular bulb. Now repeat the same procedure for the passenger side. Install the new LED lights. Here's a look with both sides installed. Here's a look at these lights at night. As you can see, with these high power LED lights installed, the backup light is much brighter than the regular incandescent bulbs that came from the factory. Besides having a pure white color, the extra light that it puts out will help illuminate the area behind you when you're backing up. This can be very helpful at night when you're parking your vehicle. Upgrading the backup light on this Toyota 4Runner is very simple and only takes a couple of minutes. If you're interested in doing this upgrade on your 4Runner, check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, remember to click on a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, please click on the subscribe button to support this channel. Also click on the notification bell so you'll get notified of my new videos. Thank you and have an awesome day.